Okay, we're gonna try to take some video of a lightning storm that we're having here in Sacramento. Oh, and it just started raining. This is actually taking really good video of the lightning. This is taking some really good video.
It's coming closer too. That means it's going to be the neighbors today, stuff like that.
There's a huge lightning bolt. It's getting more common.
Closer to that. It gets closer to that.
Cool. So cool. Whoa.
That really lit up the sky.
Huh. This is gonna appear on the news.
Probably.
Actually, the weather said that it was going to do this yesterday, and it didn't. But then when I checked yesterday, the weather said it was going to happen today.
Well, I saw the thunderheads, you know, the big cumulonimbus clouds.
Yeah,
I saw those out west, northwest.
Wow, that one was huge.
White. Did you believe the news when they said that it was going to happen today?
Did I? Yeah.
I mean, something like this, you probably can't mess up on multiple place.
Weather's hard to predict, though, either way.
Whoa.
Wow.
That was like two consecutive.
It's like back and forth. Thunder in my pants.
Remember, this does pick up audio.
Wow.
So it does. I wonder if we can pick up the thunder. And not Dad's thunder.
Wow. It's supposed to be like this for a couple of days, actually.
That's awesome. I remember the big monsoons that were in Arizona. I lived there. It was
Hot weather.
hot weather brings it in, like storms.
Not as often as cold weather, but
I think it's generally like a cold front hitting a warm front type thing. I could be wrong, considering I am not a weather person or a meteorologist.
it's not that hot anymore. I mean, it's
The
not
rain
that cold,
almost
but
stopped.
oh yeah,
Wow.
it's starting to be cool breeze. I can hear some rain pounding on other people's houses.
It's really just sprinkling.
Hey, is that a little bucket of Stephen Colbert ice cream?
That one there, it kind of looks like it.
It's Ben and Jerry's, isn't it?
Looks like,
Probably Ambi dug it out of the trash.
yeah, it does look like Stephen Colbert.
Wow.
I missed it.
I've got it on video. Alright, I think 4 minutes is long enough for video.